Welcome back to Toyin Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. If you're new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos.
About them, what do you think about this?
Well, to me, I would have expected we have law in Nigeria. In fact, laws, and the laws are working. I will expect the Corona Court to direct an order to tell her to come to Nigeria to come and explain those things, those allegations. You understand that she's making, because from what I learned, she has never been to House of Yoruba's house until after the death. But she's the in Nigeria. But yes, he's the one saying this is how the house look like, this is how it is, and all that, and so on and so forth. Do you understand? So these are the issues. I would expect her to come. You will see that initially he was the one backing Wunmi, saying, why can you fight her? Why should you do that? But they broke away at the point where Wunmi said, stop talking and abusing my husband's family, like abusing the father of my husband, late husband. No, that was when they started having issues. And again, when you look at it very well, she's some of those people maybe who have no job abroad. They just want to throw a shit on the internet. So the more you can lie in this kind of sensational issues, the more you have followers. That is just the truth of it.
So since the death of Mohbad, his dad has been going around saying he's seeking for justice. What do you see to this, and what are the ways to go about it?
And my fear or my concern majorly is this. When this guy died, he's the one that said he must bury him that night. It must not be tomorrow. So necessary tests, necessary medical report like autopsy to know the cause of death and some other things will not be done. And unfortunately, he's still the one saying, I want justice, I want to know the cause of death. When it feels like somebody who is crying when the head has been cut off. You understand? He frustrated people from knowing the cause of death ab initio from the beginning. It is too late in the day to say, we want to know. Everybody is interested, including our client, including myself, to know the cause of that young promising child. Do you understand? But he was the one saying, I don't want to, I want him to be buried today. But later, they buried him. By the time they were, excavating or exhuming the guy, the doctors came to say there is no useful element in the body that can be used for empirical analysis to confirm the cause of death.
After the DNA issue, what do you think is the next step for Wunmi?
I think you have to face her life and face the reality. Whichever way the DNA comes, we don't know. Whichever, if it comes positive, it will, further strengthen during the public that she's not a wayward person that people, were saying. And if it's the other way around, the public, expectedly, will not be happy with that, and they are going to actually, be weird. I mean, they are going to be actually unfriendly against her. But if it is positive, then so we have to move with the life. We have to talk about how to, maintain the child, how to train, how to give him, train him, and how to make him a useful boy, and his education and some other things. And the safety of the child also is very important. She has to look at all this and how safety as well.
So there are concerns from fans of Mohbad and the media, concerns about why is he yet to be buried? Why is the family delaying in agreeing to reality that Mohbad is gone?
I can tell you straight away that some people, those who are making a way from the immediate family, you understand, the way they do it, I don't want to be judgmental, but if I want to be judgmental, I will be saying the father has not done very well. In the sense that using the child to get followership, to get popularity, to get this, to get that, I think it's not, there is no radio station he has not gone. Is it TVC? Is it Berekete Family? Is it this guy, what's the name of this guy in the Is it TV? Anywhere, he has been going round and round and round, you understand, claiming that, I'm seeking justice, whereas he's seeking popularity for some other, for some other benefits.
So going back to the issue of security of your client, Wunmi, so what is the position of the court?
Well, the court, we reported to the court, and the court was surprised. And what the court said was that, it be necessary to give her, additional security in case of future occurrences, to prevent future occurrences. Because she was actually molested the other day. They were pursuing her car. They have to force the car out. Thank God he came with two security men, policemen.
So, rounding up, is there any date fixed yet for the DNA?
There is no date fixed for it. It's a court affair. The lawyers are not going to participate. We want the OT to be transparent. Let the court do it and bring the law. I don't know where they are going to do it. She herself will not know where they are going to do it. But she will submit herself and charge for samples. For the purpose of taking samples, and necessary officer will take samples. And they will do it. We don't want to know anything about it. So
simple terms now, for people in the media space, simple terms, there is an agreement that the DNA should be done
without any prompting. We agreed to it. Our client said, "Come, I want to do the DNA. Don't get a court order. I am ready."
So this is against the backlash from the media that Wunmi is running away from DNA.
Exactly.
So she's ready.
It was because they turned into a media war against her, that they can compel her. But she initially agreed that she was going to do DNA. The next day she agreed in court. The family was saying, no, she has no choice. She's fighting because we have to force her to do so. We withdrew from the agreement.
So in other words,
later we came out on our own volition. We want to.
So in other words, you feel Mohbad's father is using the media to misinform.
Exactly the point. And to bully the child. You understand? Going on media, the child has a bow leg. Everybody knows that bow leg is a deficiency. I think vitamin C or whatever. The kind of vitamin. You understand? It doesn't have to be that because I have a bow leg, my child will have a bow leg. No, this is not the truth. So the cyber bullying was too much. That was why it is like that. The cyber bullying was much hard. So, but now we say voluntarily, she opted to do it.
Thank you so much for your time.
It's a pleasure.
Sorry, sir. I would just like to quote one or two to you if you don't mind. First of all, concerning the DNA affair, I know. With my I know. But concerning the DNA affair, I think today, is there any other day being adjourned for the move?
That is not yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
The court that will determine every step now.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Oh my word. You see, at times this is it. And this is the little I will say, but there is something I see which I will be glad and I will be much more comfortable to talk about. Yes. And what exactly are you talking about, Arifa? I am here at the court. Today is the hearing of the DNA, and according to the lawyer of Siwa, the stuff has been granted and DNA will be done. But the date of the next hearing is yet unknown. Do you understand? according to the lawyer, not that it was the court order that makes her to concur to the fact of doing the DNA. He said she is the one who agrees to the fact that, okay, now she's ready to DNA willingly. She's prepared to do the DNA willingly. But to my greatest surprise today, they took a part, which is very funny. And what is the part Arifa is referring to? Yes, Victoria, yes. Wunmi decided to do the DNA willingly. No court order, nothing. But she decided to do the DNA on her own. Not because they forced her or the court gave an order. She is the one who said no for a particular reason. And now she said yes for a particular reason. You understand? So, that is...
Yeah, it was that guy, he was very rude.
I understand. That is why I want to...
I'm a lawyer, it's our duty to inform the public. It's our duty to cooperate with journalists. You know,
it is act of professionalism, and at times
he wasn't fighting me. Why is he not here?
These are things as an elderly man you need to endure with us, and I really appreciate your patience and the way you attend to the issue is extremely. Thank you so very much for that. Well, I could see you'll be leaving any moment from now, most especially for a security reason. Sir, I just would like to ask one or two questions from people's acts, and that is the fact that you said in your comments just now that with the loop of things, Baba Mohbad, which is the father of the boy, is just using the boy to gain popularity, not that he's really looking for the justice. And I believe you must have a view before you come to such conclusion. Can you please put little light?
Yeah, the light is this. In Yoruba land, when somebody's guy dies, yes, you have to be sober, but it's not appearing so. And you know, when a father comes out to say, this child is not my son's child, but anybody can now come. Somebody, a wife you have known, a wife that has been cooking for you, a wife you have slept in their house, not once, not twice, you are very close to her. You understand? All of a sudden, when the husband died, you turned against her. You are now saying, you now went on here to say, anybody who has been pregnant for your late son should come out. That is hypocrisy. Somebody you have, those you have not known, you now prefer them to say, so one Ashewo can just come and say, I gave that, maybe he has an unclaimed child, and oh, this is Mohbad's child. You prefer that one to somebody you live with, you did the naming of the child, you gave the child the name, you hold the baby. We have pictures where he was holding the baby during the Christmas ceremony. You understand? You are now all of a sudden you say it's no longer your child. It's mischievous. Anybody, any reasonable person is highly preposterous to come and say to police. No reasonable person will believe that you are doing it just, in all honesty. It's for some, personal or some pecuniary. That's what you can mean. The child you have always known that you have always carried. There was a time we went to zone 2. Immediately the child saw him, said, Daddy, this is not child. Run after him. Ask Baba Mohbad. The boy ran after him to go and hug him. But you understand?
And what was his response?
No.
You know that is out of content though, but what was his response that you witnessed?
He turned away.
And ignored the boy.
And ignored the boy. He did the same thing to the wife, the mother of Mohbad. So, you are not looking at a man who all he wants is you chase away the mother, chase away the wife and the child. So whatever thing is in the estate of the disease, you want to take over. That is just what people are reading with. If you look at it recently, people are no longer supporting him as they used to. Because it's not looking like a money-making venture. Go online, please come and fund me. I want to pay my lawyer. It has happened. He has done it. You get so these are not okay in Yoruba land. Even those who came to give evidence in court gave evidence to the fact that money given by the video was taken by him. You can't spend money of the death of your and again, why are they not pushing for the burial of this guy? If Mohbad is buried today, the people will not start following him. So he doesn't want the guy to be buried. That is the truth of the matter. Anybody may take it or not. We read it the other day. The wife came.